All right, I mean, let's get into it, right? Let's talk about what this video is going to be about. You've joined me along. You want to know what we're here to talk about, and I'm going to tell you. Hey, everybody, Steve got a pool here. I just want to show you this pool that we did today. It was like -5 when I woke up this morning, and we showed up here on the job. We built a big giant dome over the pool, and I was under there. I had my shorts on, no shirt on. We put the liner in, so let's take a look around the pool. We'll take a look at some of the stuff that we did today. It's getting there. New construction pool, folks. New construction pool. We got bleacher stairs. We got a sun deck. We got 3 lights in the pool. We got 2 heaters cranking away, blowing up the dome. We're gonna do the coping today, but this is great. Nice brand new piece of plastic. All right, thanks, buddy. Of course, it already got ripped, but I'll leave a link, or I'll leave a little video or a little clip of what this plastic is and how you can find the plastic. I'll leave a little video how you can find the heaters. And usually we use these flange poles, but like we said earlier when we got here, it was all rock and ledge in here. So we just we went with the old buckets, holding the buckets of stone around the outside of the pool. We shoveled some stone on top of the tarps, and basically now everything's gonna kind of melt out and thaw out, and we'll start doing this pool, folks. All right, turn the radio back up. Oh, what do you think, bud? There's Jordan. For water bags? I think we're gonna end up just letting it be, bud. I think I'm just gonna let it be. Dylan says they always work out, so we're gonna roll with that. We at least relayed the message that, you know, their second steps are a little loose. Whoa. All right, do the main drains and then the lights, and then we're done, right? Sweet. Let's see if we can get you, let's see, bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. We'll take a little video when the dome's down too, but good team effort out here. Giuliano's Pools, like and subscribe. Oh yeah, wait, I'm Steve, got a pool. Everybody was making jokes that I was working in my underwear today. I was wearing some short shorts, I'll put it that way. I think I have some video of me acting like a strong man trying to lift the liner, wearing they are shorts. I promise you they're not underwear. I had to make some noise trying to get that liner. I didn't make it very far, but I was able to drag it into place and start clipping the liner in and getting that in. And Josh and Dylan and Jordan, they took care of clipping the liner in the deep end and the partially part of the sun deck. And then we hit the vacs, we cut the main drain. I did take some video of those lights. Hopefully some of you can tune into some of the shorts that I made on that. I'm sure a lot of you watch my shorts more than my long videos, but we're gonna try to work on that as time goes on, and hopefully the long videos end up helping out the channel, because that's really where the success of the channel is gonna be, is these long videos. And every day I'm just here out working, and it was a really good day. We all shook hands at the end of the day. Everybody came through. We were struggling with those temp fence poles pounding into the rock, and so we basically just used buckets of stone again. We've got like 30 buckets of stone in that truck, and that's kind of enough to go around the pool. We've got a nice little piece of plastic. I did try to take some footage of the plastic rolls so you can see what the plastic is that we use, the indirect heaters that we use. It's pretty simple, folks. I mean, we live in New England, so you either keep working or you shut it down. And I work for a company where he pays us to keep going, so my job is to show up and go to work, and that's what we do. And we got a good group of pool installers that work for the company, Giuliano's Pools. I'm very proud to work for Giuliano's Pools. This pool behind me is actually an Infinity Edge pool that I did the liner on twice already. It's probably, I'd say that pool's around 15 or 18 years old, something like that. And it looks great. But all right, like I said, we're gonna take a walk around, selfie stick and all. This is it's a rectangle pool with a sun deck. This is the pump and filter, and you can see how when we were doing the dome, everything started to melt. There was tons of snow and ice in the pool. We got our vacuum running. Vacuums, they got to stay running at all times until there's about 6 inches of water in the shallow end there. So we thought we were going to be getting a water truck out here. This is a new construction pool, bleacher stairs. It's looking great. A lot of work, but it wasn't that bad actually, to be honest with you. It was, it's a little bit of work to get the dome set up, bringing all those buckets of stone around and things like that. Went really good. So let's take a look. All right, so now we're taking a look back a little further here. And the next step's gonna be to backfill the pool, fill the pool, and that's gonna be it. So, like I said, we showed up this morning. There was snow all over the pool. Coping is not on. There's no coping on the pool, so we just jumped right onto it. We put a big dome over the pool. We started working on the coping and started cleaning the stairs, getting foam on the stairs, foam on the walls, touching the floor up, and then we're just dropping the liner. Push, boys, push! So that's what we did today. Like I said, it was like -5 when we woke up. It's got to be about 15 degrees right now. We're just getting things all cleaned up, putting back in the trailer. I think the only thing left to do out here is to put the temporary fence back up, and then we will be on our way. That's it. It was a good day.